Hello students, this is Sama Gasge and today in this class we are going to learn or we are going to discuss about the practical. So I hope all of you knows the total marks for your subject maths is 100, right? And out of 100, 80 marks is distributed for the theory and 20 marks is for practical. Okay, so 80-20 pattern is there for the subject mathematics. Now in 80 you will have two parts, maths 1 and maths 2. Right? So the exam question paper and that pattern we will discuss later on. In today's class we are only focused on practical. Okay, so the 40 marks will be come from paper 1 and the 40 marks will be paper 2. The pattern we will discuss later on. Now we will come towards the practicals. Okay, now for the 20 marks the distribution is like this: 15 and 5. Okay, so you will going to have one practical exam of marks 15. So here the 15 marks is for your exam which will happen at the time of board practicals. Okay, and the 5 marks is for file. File means journals. Okay, so for the 11th standard we usually conduct the exams in the form of assignments, or it may be an exam that we will discuss later on, but this pattern will be fixed for your 12th standard as well. Okay, so this is just not for the 11th standard, this whole pattern is for 11 and 12 both. So here you will have 15 marks exam, okay, and the 5 marks for your file. So first of all we will discuss about the exam and then we will come to file, how to write the file, okay, and what to write in that journal. So first of all we will see the exam. Okay, so here I am discussing the exam pattern for the 12th board exam and it will be same for the 11th as well. Okay, now for the 15 marks there will be total 4 questions. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. 5 marks each. 5, 5, 5 and 5. Okay. Now out of the 4 questions you have to solve any 3 questions. You have to solve any 3 questions. Okay. Now you will be given a 4 questions, 5 marks each. Out of 4 questions you have to solve any 3 questions, and the first and the second question will be part 1 and the third and the fourth question will be part 2 from paper 1 and from paper 2. Okay, and these questions should come from your handbook only. Okay, whatever you will write in your file, that question 1, 2, 3, 4 will be from there only. Okay. So out of 4 questions, you have to solve any 3 questions, and time for solving 3 questions will be 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes will be time given to you, and in that time you have to solve any 3 questions, 2 questions from part 1, paper 1, and the 2 questions from paper 2. Okay, so this is about the exam of maths practical. Now we will discuss about the file. So there are 5 marks for the file which you will prepare before your board exam for the 12th standard, and of course same for the 11th standard. Now in this file, now in 11th class we have total 18 chapters. 9 chapters are from paper 1 and 9 from paper 2. This is from paper 1 and this is from paper 2. So basically we have 18 chapters, so there will be 18 practical. Okay, so from each chapter there will be one practical. Okay, so we will have 18 practicals. Now from paper 1, maths paper 1, we will have total 9 practicals, and from paper 2 we will have 9 practicals too. Okay, now from each practical, in each practical there will be at least 3 to 4 questions. Okay, from each practical, suppose practical number 1, so there will be at least 3 questions. See, this is for your 11th standard. The general rule is there will be at least 4 questions or 5 questions for 12th standard. Yes, but since due to COVID-19 we have a less time to complete all these practicals. Therefore, I have decided to keep at least 3 questions in each practical. Okay, there may be 4 or 5 questions in some practical, but at least 3 questions will be there in each practical. Now I hope you all got that handbook practical for mathematics. Okay, and I have given all the questions from that handbook only. So just try to get the handbook from the college, or you can buy it. Now I'll provide you one PDF which will contain all the 18 practicals. Okay, the all practicals will be mentioned separately. There will be 18 practicals. Okay, so you will get one PDF of 18 practicals from college. So from each practical you have to write down 4 questions. So you have to prepare one file. You have to buy the single line paper, you can say supplement. Okay, and you have to solve all the given question and write it down in that paper, in that file, and you have to submit that file to me on the particular date which will given you or which will decide by the college. Now we will see some guidelines to write down the practical in your file. So the first guideline, or you can say the rule, you can only use 2 color pens, black and blue. You cannot write with the green pen or with the red pen. Okay, so you have to use only 2 pens, that is black and blue. Then the second line is you have to draw the diagrams with the pencil only. Okay, you should not draw the specific diagrams by pen or by any color. You have to use pencil, scale. Okay, so it should be neat and tidy. Your diagram should be neat and tidy. Now the guideline number 3rd, you have to write each practical on new paper. Suppose this is your paper and you have started to write down the practical number 1. Okay, and suppose that you have finished that practical here. So you should not start the new practical on the same page. Okay, so for the each practical you have to use separate page, or you can say new page. Even though if you finish your previous practical, okay, on the top of the page only one line you have used, then you here also you cannot start writing new practical on the same page. Okay, so you have to use new page for the each practical. So you have to use new page or new paper for the each practical. Now the fourth guideline, you have to write down questions. Okay, so generally we notice that students directly write down they directly start to write down the solution while solving the problems. Okay, so you have to mention the question as well for the each practical. There should be a question, after that your solution should be there. Okay, so you have to write down the question as well. And your file should be neat. Okay, it should not be written by any other student or any other friend. The writing in the file should be same. Handwriting should be same. Okay, so you have to write your practicals by your own. Do not take help of your mama and daddy. Okay, you have to write your practical by your own. It should be neat, it should be tidy. Okay, you have to mention the question before solving any question. You have to start each practical on new paper. You have to use pencil to drawing a diagrams, and you have to only use black and blue color pens. Okay, red and green pens will not be acceptable. So these are the rules which you have to follow while writing the practicals. Okay, now the PDF of the questions for the practical will be uploaded by the college on that software. So you will get that question from that software. So this is about how to write the file. Now the submission date. The submission date will be given by the college, but remember that you have to submit your file on that particular date only, without fail. If you submit your file after 2 or 3 days, I will not going to take that file. So please remember, you have to submit your file on the submission date only. So after checking that file, the file will be given back to you, and you have to bring your file at the time of examination. Okay, so same pattern is there for the 12th standard, only the difference is here the examination will be conducted internally. That means there will be no external examiner for the 11th standard, but for the 12th standard there will be a external examiner. Okay, so you have to careful while making that file, because examiner will check each file made by you. So if there is any mistake which you have made in your file, the examiner will directly cut out your 5 marks. Okay, the examiner will not allow, even he will not allow to sit in the exam. So this is about the practical, okay, the journal and the practical examination of 15 marks and the file for the 5 marks. So if you have any doubt regarding practical examination, and even if for the theory, you can contact me, you can ask me. So you will get the question, try to solve each and every question, and I have given 95% question which are solved in that handbook. Okay, 90% questions are solved. There are 2 or 3 questions which are unsolved, okay, but they are very easy. You can solve it by taking the reference from the textbook or from that handbook. So we will end our session here. So if you have any query, please feel free to contact me to clear your doubts. Thank you.